How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix your Facebook's Marketplace not showing. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first step is make sure that your Facebook app is up to date to the latest version. For that, head over to your Google Play Store, search for Facebook and check if there is an update available. If there is, update the app and then you can locate your Facebook app. Then you can open it up. After you've opened up your Facebook, tap on the menu icon on the top right. And after you do that, you can then head over to see more option if you don't find your marketplace. And from here, you can find your marketplace. So if you don't want it here and you want it on your tab bar like this, what you can do is go to your settings. So first of all, head over to the menu again, then tap on your settings icon. Then you should be on your settings and privacy. From here, search for tab bar. And under tab bar, tap on customize the bar. From here, you will need to pin your marketplace like I did. For you, it might not be available like this. So if it's hidden, tap on this button. Then tap on pin or auto. If you pin it, it will just stay in your tab bar and you can use it. So you can head back here and you'll find your marketplace on the tab bar. And that's basically it. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.